Hi, it's Alex with Outbuild again, here to show you some of the cool things that we've released recently. And this time it's all about making sure we don't lose track of anything that's happening within Outbuild with our new schedule changelog and offline progress updates features. First up, we have schedule changelog. This is just exactly what it sounds like it is. It's making sure that you can always see what has changed with your schedule and when. So this is going to track all of the updates to the master schedule and provides you with a clear auditable record so you can always go back and understand what changed. Let's take a look at it. So here I am on my master schedule, and let's try moving a couple things around and changing a couple things and see what happens. So first of all, I'll add a new activity. We'll just call it test, so it's really obvious and easy to find later. We'll go ahead and adjust the date of that. And then let's change some of the logic linking here on this 100% CDs activity. So now when I go ahead and hit save, this is what is going to commit all of those changes to the schedule changelog. And you'll see that you now have an option here in your Outbuild toolbar to view your schedule changelog. So here we are. We can see that some changes were just saved a couple of seconds ago on the main schedule made by me. Let's see what those changes were. We've got the new activities created. We changed the start date and the duration. And then I moved around some of the logic and constraint types by relinking those activities. So all of those changes were captured automatically. Once I hit save, that's what put them onto the log here. And so I can always go back and view all the changes that I made or that others have made to the schedule. Exciting stuff. The other really cool feature I want to tell you about is offline progress updates. Once again, it's exactly what it sounds like. Now, when field users are out using their iPad to update the Lookahead task progress, they can update that task progress even when they have no connectivity to the internet. Those changes will sync automatically back to the rest of Outbuild once they reestablish online connection. So this is super useful, obviously, if you're out on site and conditions can be really unpredictable. Maybe you're in a basement, maybe you're surrounded by a bunch of steel beams, maybe you're just in the middle of nowhere and you don't really have great internet access. Now, none of that matters. The field team can still update their task progress as they go through their flow of work, and that information will be preserved in Outbuild and synced back where the office can see it once they are back online. We've provided these features to make sure that it's really clear what's going on in your Outbuild schedule and that your data is easy to follow along with and not getting lost. So we really hope this is helpful for you.